Hi, I'm Princely. Let's watch this trailer before the tutorial. Sentinel-1, this is Command. Confirm position and readiness.
Command, Sentinel-1. Cruising at Angels 5-0. Stealth systems fully operational. Payload secure.
Sir, enemy radar sweep increasing.
Maintain radio silence unless Sentinel-1 stays invisible.
Command, target coordinates locked. Sentinel-1, you are cleared. Execute. Payload away.
Correct hit. Target neutralized.
Copy that. Bring him home.
Mission complete. Returning to base.
Good work, Sentinel-1.
Welcome back to Faceless AI Lab. Watch how I made this video.
Phase 1. Structured storytelling. Before generating any visuals, I created the script using ChatGPT. Instead of generating one long paragraph, I asked ChatGPT to break the script into short cinematic scenes. Each scene included location, character action, dialogue, emotional tone. This made it easier to generate visuals scene by scene inside Grok. AI video works best when you direct it in segments, not in bulk. Most AI videos fail because creators don't break scenes down. Phase 2. Prompt engineering. For this project, I did not use a specific recurring character. Instead, I focused on generating realistic military personnel and environments. I crafted detailed prompts describing tactical gear, environment lighting, camera angle, facial expression, mood and atmosphere. The goal was realism, not animation. Grok generated highly realistic human figures that looked cinematic rather than cartoonish. Phase 3. Continuity control. One of the biggest challenges with AI video generation is consistency. Sometimes Grok does not fully adhere to the prompt. It may alter lighting, positioning, or character details. When this happens, I refine the prompt and regenerate the scene. If necessary, I remove unusable sections and regenerate only the missing part. AI filmmaking requires iteration. You are not pressing one button. You are directing through refinement. AI is powerful, but it still needs a director.
Phase 4. Managing AI inconsistencies. Grok, like any generative AI system, does not always produce perfect results. Sometimes it generates partial scenes that do not match the intended direction. Instead of abandoning the project, I adjust. Prompt wording, camera instructions, scene specificity. I then regenerate until the output aligns with my vision. Professional AI content is built through controlled iteration. Phase 5. Post-production assembly. After generating all usable clips, I imported them into CapCut. I arranged each scene in sequence according to the script structure. I trimmed unnecessary frames, tightened pacing, and removed visual glitches. Then I added cinematic background music, military ambience, subtle sound effects, text overlays for emphasis. Editing is what transforms AI footage into a cohesive film experience.
Sentinel-1, this is Command. Confirm position.
Final phase, export and publishing strategy. I exported the video in 1080p resolution for clarity and compression balance. Then I optimized the title for curiosity and search relevance. I included relevant tags and linked to my long-form tutorials in the description to increase session watch time. Creation builds content. Strategy builds growth. AI filmmaking is not about pressing generate. It is about directing, refining, and assembling with intention. If you want more advanced breakdowns on AI military cinematics, subscribe and watch the full tutorial playlist linked below. I don't just use AI, I direct AI.